Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alma and this is the look I created today. If you like my look, if you like to see how I did it, stay tuned to watch the rest of my video. And I would like to also thank all my subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it and I'm so happy. And for those of you who see my videos and haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video and stay tuned if you like to see the rest of it and how I did it. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Have a great weekend and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Hi everybody. Welcome. I already did my foundation. I set my lids. I'm ready to go. Today, the foundation that I used is this one. I liked it. I used it the other day and I want to use it again. My color is medium beige 129. It's the 30-hour foundation wear by Maybelline. It's called Super Stay Active Wear. This is the one. And to prime my lids, I use this one by Milani. It's the eyeshadow primer. So today, I want to use this one by Urban Decay. It's the Urban Decay Electric. And with these colors, they're super vibrant. And that's what I'm going to use today. So first off, I wanted to put a little bit of, I'm going to put something on my transition. For my transition color, I'm going to put this color right here. This is the contour palette by e.l.f. and I'm gonna place it right here. It's just the good transition shade when you're using these bright colors. So that's what I'm gonna use right there. Okay, so I have placed my transition color here and it's like a, you know, like a light brown or brown color. And I'm still debating on what color I should use. I'm gonna use this color right here just because it's summer. Why not? Let's use that. So I'm gonna start with the outer corner here. I left a little bit of space in the center because I'm gonna add the silver one right there. I'm gonna put a little bit of setting spray to that. Let me get more and put it right there. It's red and it's popping. Okay, I'm gonna put my eyebrows and I'm gonna do my mascara and I'll be right back. Oh shit, it actually looks good. Okay, I already put on my mascara and the one I'm using, I'm sticking to this one right now. It's the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift. And I have my lashes too. I did my brows. And I also brought down the color right here, the red on the bottom of my lids. So while this is drying, let's continue with the rest of the face contour. So I'm gonna pull out this e.l.f. palette. I was actually really scared with this look, but it's actually looking really good. It's coming together. Brush. This is a plain small brush. My hair. Oopsie. Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. I'm gonna place it right here. Cover that. And this is by e.l.f., this little sponge. Okay, so now I'm gonna set it with my setting translucent powder by Laura Mercier. Lily is over here watching her little show in the meantime. Okay, so for blush, I got this Revolution palette, blush palette by Makeup Revolution. And these are the shades. Wow, they're pretty. I'm gonna keep this blush very subtle because we got red on our eyes. So I'm thinking of using this, maybe this color right here. This one. So that way it's not too much on the face. Just enough to give you that blush color, but not over the top where you're like red, red, red. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna set my face a little bit with this Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC. Place that on my T-zone, my nose, my chin. Sometimes I don't know where to look. I'm like looking at myself, looking over here. Sorry. Okay, so for the lips, I picked up this Makeup Revolution lip contour kit. I wanted to try it out, and it comes with, let's see, it's a lip liner. The color is Queen, and a gloss. The gloss's name is Queen 2, this one. So I'm gonna line my lips. Damn, it's like a pale. Oh wow, this is so pale. It says you contour with it. Oh, it's a highlight. Okay, if it's a highlight, okay, what if I just do it in the center? instead of the sides. You know what I mean? This. Okay, the lip liner I pulled out. It's this one, Jordana, color Tawny. Let's look. It looks like this. Let's see. And I just wanted a little bit more color on my lips. I feel like this was gonna wash me out. I don't want that. So since this is like super pale, I'm gonna place it in the center, right here. Okay. See, like that. And then I'm gonna get the gloss that comes in the kit. This is how it looks. Oh yeah, it would have washed me out. You see how I feel like it looks pale. Okay, I'm not gonna use too much because it already looks pale on me. It has like a fruity scent. Smells good. I'm gonna take off this Laura Mercier. Setting powder, take it off. Why do I feel like I look washed out? A bit. Let's put more color, okay. And then, I don't know about the lips. Maybe it's the wrong color for, yeah, I'm gonna take another one out. One sec. Okay, this one's better. This lip liner is by Wet n Wild, and it's Willow 7112. That's what this one is. And I applied it. What I did is I just dabbed whatever I had placed, and then I put this one on top, and I feel like that pairs a lot better with the eye look. I'm gonna put a little bit more blush here, and there, I'm sweating hard. Okay, so I'm gonna set it with the Urban Decay setting spray all nighter. Oh, you know what? I forgot to put mascara on the bottom lashes, but that's okay. We can always go back. Okay, and that completes my look. So you got the red shadow, the silver in the center, and the nude lip. You can always put gloss over that. Where's my gloss? I'm gonna use this one, Shine Shot by Maybelline. Come here. You wanna sit right here? I'm gonna dab it in the center and wipe this off so I won't see that again. Ooh, perfect. I like glossy lips. Okay, so there it is. That completes my look. I hope you guys like my video today. I hope you guys like my creation. Yay. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for subscribing, and if you haven't already, please do so. And thank you so much. Have a great weekend.